The distance formula between any two points x1, y1 and x2, y2 in a rectangular coordinate system is given by r equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. If you look at the diagram, the two order pairs x1, y1, x2, y2, when we form the horizontal distance and the vertical distance, we see the horizontal distance is x2 minus x1. This name is at A. The vertical distance is y2 minus y1. This name is B. Follow the Pythagorean theorem for the right triangle. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. The A is the quantity x2 minus x1 squared. The B is y2 minus y1 squared. And the C is R. C squared is R squared. To solve for R, taking square root both sides of the equation. Example 1. Find the distance between the points -2, 3, and 5, 4. Substitute the value x1, y1, x2, y2 into the formula R. So R equals the square root of 5 minus -2 squared plus 4 minus 3 squared. And simplify the numbers. We got square root of 7 squared plus 1 squared. Or square root of 49 plus 1 or square root of 50. Simplify a little bit more. 50 is 2 times 25. We would get 5 square root 2 as the most simplified number. Next, find x. So the distance between the order pair x2 and the order pair 4, 3 is square root 5. Let's write down the formula. R equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And then R is square root 5 equals square root of x2 minus x1. The x2 is 4. x1 is x power 2 plus y2 minus y1, which is 3 minus 2 squared. Squaring both sides, we have 5 equals 4 minus x squared plus 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. Subtract 1 both sides. We have 4 equals the quantity 4 minus x squared. Take the square root both sides. Okay, plus or minus 2 equals 4 minus x. So the first solution, when 4 minus x equals positive 2. The second solution, when 4 minus x equals negative 2. Simplify a little more, solve for x. The x equals 2 for the first case and x equals 6 for the second case. Circle. A circle is defined as the set of all points in the plane that are a fixed distance radius of r from a given fixed point, the center or the order pair hk. The equation for a circle with center hk and the radius r is the quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. The unit circle is the circle with the center at 0, 0 and the radius equals 1. H is 0, k is 0, r is 1. Therefore, the formula for the unit circle is x squared plus y squared equals 1. Verify that each point lies on the graph of the unit circle. Unit circle has a formula x squared plus y squared equals 1. Negative 1. To verify, that means to show the left equals the right quantity. So the left hand side, x squared plus y squared equals 0 squared plus negative 1 squared equals 1. Check. The second order pair, as x equals 1 3 over 2 and y is negative 1 over 2. So x squared plus y squared equals the quantity square root 3 over 2 squared plus the quantity negative 1 over 2 squared, or 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4, or 1. Check. Problem 2. At what points will the line y equals x intersect the unit circle x squared plus y squared equals 1? Intersect means two graphs meet each other. If you look at the graph, the line y equals x is the line with the intercept 0 and the slope 1. And the unit circle means the center at 0, the radius is 1. So the line and the curve will meet at two intersection points. We are going to find what are they. As y equals x, we replace y as the x value. So x squared plus y squared equals 1 from the unit circle. Y equals x. Therefore, we have 2x squared equals 1. Or x squared equals 1 over 2. Take square root both sides, so we have plus minus square root 1 over 2. From the relationship y equals x, if x equals square root 1 over 2, y will be square root 1 over 2. For x equals negative square root 1 over 2, y will be negative square root 1 over 2. So we get two order pairs.